my nice bowling ball. We're recapping today's bowling. Oh, and my pen. Anyways, so we're with Justin Bohn because he hasn't been in any recap.
I'm not.
But you didn't even watch me bowl today, so
I did not.
don't know why you're in my recap.
No, my girlfriend made Team USA. She's sitting over here.
So, yeah.
So I was watching her.
We're celebrating Miranda today.
Yep.
But, how did I bowl? I went minus 42.
It was good score for the scoring pace. They were really hard today.
They were challenging.
Yeah.
Justin, you should put up a picture of the graph right here over your face, and then you'll see me. So, as you can see, this is literally a funnel, and it's not a normal bowling pattern, so they were supposed to be challenging. Now take it away. One of the higher blocks that I think it was my second highest block. Was it? My third highest block?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It was one of your better days of team trials.
Yeah, if we take out day 3, I just want
was
to
day
forget
3 the
day
bad?
3.
Was day 3 the bad day?
Yeah, day 3 was a really bad day.
That was the day you finished like 80th, right?
I beat 10 people.
That's a bad day for you. Yeah.
Team USA Trials is done for me. Also, I did not miss many single pins for the entire week.
So that's pretty good.
So, looking at the positives, well, today I missed like 2 or 3 makeables in a bucket. I shoot it straight, and I chop the 5 pin just dead straight back.
So now, we're going to go watch Brandon bowl because he has his last 5 games. And since we didn't watch him yesterday at all because we were at Lake Tahoe on the day he decided to finish second on the day.
What was he plus?
250.
Oh, we
Yeah.
watched him in the car.
We did.
As we were looking at amazing views.
Yep.
But sorry, Brandon. I don't know. I guess you just got camera shy.
Yeah, so
Another few days.
Yeah, so we're going to go watch him bowl his last 6 games. And then we're going to see the 2 of them receive their jackets and their medals on stage at the National Bowling Stadium.
Woo!
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 Are we done?
Are we done?
I think so.
Are you done?
I think so. Are you done?
We're done. Brandon's bowling. Now. I brought bananas. So we are staying at an Airbnb this week, and we have food left over. It's the last day. We are handing out bananas today. I think Parker Bohn wants a banana. Hello. Say hello.
Hello. Let's do Dial a Shot for Brandon Bohn. Better yet, let's watch Dial a Shot. And he's up. Dial a Shot, solid 9. Oh well, have another bite. Now what?
Here, let's go.
I just peeled it to eat it. Now you just eat it? Really?
I brought it for you.
Well, gee, thank you very much.
We have 4 other ones in the bag.
So you gotta eat mine?
Yes.
officially done with 2025 Team USA trials. Finished last night at 126 over on another great pattern. Started off slow, found our way, 740 in the middle, finished with 190 with 3 splits, but that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Congrats to Ryan Barnes, Crystal Elliott, CJ Petrin, and Kaylin Avaganya, and all the newest members of Team USA and Junior Team USA. Certainly well deserved to represent red, white, and blue. I think that's gonna wrap it up. What's next? Me and Dad are changing out some balls, changing out some luggage, and we're on our way to Helsinki, Finland for the Brunswick Ballmaster Itali Ball.
Just be on the lookout, Brandon. Your mom's not going this time to keep you in line.
Well, based on what I learned this week, I just gotta quit trying when things are going bad. And probably when they're going good, I just gotta quit trying, because if you're not trying, well, you're going better.
Mom's not all about negative comments. Definitely like to turn this into a positive, but quit trying to wrench on it seemed to work this week.
Or just quit trying in general. That works too. As if the travel day wasn't long enough, it's only getting longer. We gotta find a way to stay up for a few more hours, and then right off the plane, go to the hotel, straight to the Bowling Center for our first round of qualifying. So that's gonna wrap it up for another episode of the Bohn Legacy. Got a lot of stuff coming, and I'm excited. And there's one video that we have coming that you're not gonna wanna miss, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video, and comment what you'd like to see next from not only me, Justin, but the entire Bohn Legacy. See you on the next one. Peace.